You got one?
Yep. What the heck is wrong with my reel?
You have your drag too loose, probably.
No.
That's not it, alright.
That's a nice one right here. Next time I get one, you can reel, pal. Oh, there we go. Nice little catfish. Gosh. I need to work on this reel. Oh, it's off. No.
He's still on.
Got a nice catfish, though. See if we can not get it down there. And I don't. Okay. Oh, there we go. Dinner. No, I'm kidding. That's the keeper. But we're going to let it go.
Well, ready? Pull it up. Ready?
Hang on here.
Hey, ready?
Go,
Pull it up and smile.
He's going to bite my finger so hard it's going to hurt. Oh!
Ready? Smile for the camera.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah. Okay. That's all, guys. But thanks for watching this one. Next time Tyler get one, so see you later.